What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Quicksand Shorts. This one's going to be a little bit longer. I think the more I have been looking through the footage and deciding how I want to present these in an entertaining, fun way for you all, they're probably going to eventually turn into more of a vlog style video. This video kind of flirts with the middle ground between kind of just an aerial cinematic like the last short and more of a full documented trip. So this will be a 2-day trip we did up to Big Sur, California. First day, off-grid, remote camping, overlanding. And the second day we made our way down to Big Sur campgrounds and cabins on the 4th of July. Tested our luck. We're able to get a awesome spot and really enjoy some time down by the creek and swim in the water on the hot summer day that we had. So let's get into it. There was, hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I mentioned, a little bit more meat to this video. It's not just like an aerial cinematic as it was in the first one. I think eventually these will be videos I'll film with more of us talking in the car, Jordan and I discussing what we're gonna do on the, on the trail, film some lines, how we navigated our way to camp. But for the time being, I think this is kind of going to be an evolutionary thing you'll see with these videos. They've been kind of starting more simple, and who knows, eventually I'd like to get them to be 15-20 minute long videos that are worth your while. Till next time, talk to you later.